Company Description Tutorial and Instructions. The next section of the business plan is the company description. This section provides a wide-ranging background and narrative explanation of the company. The content here should include a broad outline of the products or services. Here, briefly explain who the target customers are, but just briefly, as this will be covered more in-depth in later sections. You will also touch on your company's management and organization. Ownership of the company is often mentioned here in the template. There is mention made to a detailed ownership breakdown in the addendum of the business plan. This structure provides an easy and clean way of utilizing the template's sample content while still covering all business plan requirements. Reference to more details on topics covered is mentioned in this section. The template provides sample content that can be used for a company operating in the industry. Users can feel free to use as they wish. Utilizing the plugin plan template, the user will see on the first line there is a yellow highlighted area to type the name of the company. In the second paragraph, there is a blue highlighted area where users will type in the location of where they will be headquartered and operating. If the company will be a small business operating virtually and/or out of a home office, users can add the country, city, state, and neighborhood of where it will be. If there will be an actual office space or a brick-and-mortar business with a storefront, then put those details here when they are known. Type in here what will best suit the specific situation. There is written content for a business operating in the industry the company will be in. Read through the narrative and change anything needed in order to match up exactly to the proposed company. Users are welcome to keep the sample narrative supplied by the template.